Hey guys, this is CRAPsman. Today we're going to be doing a walk around of my puller. I built it. It's got twin stacks. As you can see, I've changed the hood a little bit so you can get better air, and although I didn't really need to, because it goes like, we have that much space in the hood and the actual thing that takes the air and blows it around. It's 12.5 horse, not very good for the class that I'm pulling it in. I got it hooked up to the little, kind of hard to see it, but there's a, yeah, you can't see it with this camera. But I have a shut-off switch, a whole bunch of weights, cut the tires. I actually left the key on accidentally for 4 days, and recently it fires up. I'm going to fire it up at the end so you guys can see. It's got a nice little hand throttle. It's got a 6-speed technically, but it only goes in 5 gears. And reverse, of course. And this switch doesn't do anything, just kind of there. Used to be headlights. This throttle doesn't do anything really. You see it right there. Nothing. It sounds like it, but it doesn't do anything. The only functional throttle right now is this hand throttle. And I'll open the hood. Just a second here. Crap with the weights. It's supposed to be a quiet, but we took the muffler off of it. It says industrial commercial engine with quiet package, which we took off. Cast iron sleeve, 2-year commercial warranty. It's painted red. It's brand new. Got a new air filter on it. This throttle is just kind of just doesn't really being used right now. And like I said, the only really functional throttle is the hand throttle, which is hooked right to, still can't see it, right above. It just kind of comes in. Came off the old muffler. We just chopped that part off right there, and then we welded that to a T, which came out with two, I think that was a 4-inch, and the other one was a 6-inch with a handmade elbow, because we forgot to buy another elbow. We bought one here, but these are 12-inch, pretty sure. And we got just a, what's it say, 1.5 inch, 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And then a chrome topper that goes on a car. I think that's it for now. Just gonna pause it for a minute. Okay, so now I'm gonna fire it up.